Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to verify your Cash App account without ID card. First of all, you need to open your Cash App account. Then you need to click your profile icon on the top right, and when you open this page, you will see verify your identity option. If you don't see this option, you need to scroll down, go to security and privacy. Scroll down in identity verification settings, you will find the verify feature. So you need to click verify. You need to enter all of your personal details and you can verify your account on Cash App. But if you want to verify your Cash App account without ID card, there's another way how to do it. You need to click your profile icon. You need to scroll down until you will see family option. Just click it. And if you are a teen from 13 to 17, you can click I am teen. So from here, you can send a request to your family members and they will give you a sponsorship. So you will have a normal Cash App account with full features and your family members will be your sponsors. Guys, so that's all. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.